Step 1. You go into your browser and you search like this, install Windows 11, and you're gonna be prompted with the first site, which is from Microsoft. So always download Windows 10 and 11 from the Microsoft website. This is not the old times in which you have to download them from anywhere else. So from the official Microsoft site, make sure that this is the correct page. You should check this option. So create Windows 11 installation media. And as it says here, you can make a bootable USB or DVD. It's the easiest way. You can also download the ISO and make it with Rufus or any other devices, or you can also upgrade your current version of Windows. But I'm gonna go with a clean installation from a bootable USB device. So click download now. You'll get this tool that you need to install on your computer. I clicked yes. I'm filming on the second display, so the prompt was on my first display. But this is how it looks. It needs some time. You have to accept the terms and conditions. I'm gonna choose the language as English, that's standard. I'm gonna also leave it in here with Windows 11. And now I'm gonna say that I want to do a USB flash drive that is bootable. Alright. So now it is looking for my USB. This G USB is the one that I have plugged in. Make sure it has at least 8 gigabytes and make sure that you have no other files that you don't want to lose on that USB stick, because this is gonna remove all the files from that stick. So to make USB bootable, it has to erase everything from there, so double check. And now it's gonna start processing my request. So it will start downloading and then making the actual image bootable. See you after it's done.
If I could slow down the clock, I would. When I'm with you, I just feel so good. Every day, every single night. So for now, let's just take our time. Now that I got you by my side, tell me how I can drive you all around. Yeah, we don't know, making lose my mind. So let's just take our time.
So after hitting finish, this was it. We have it done. So now if I go into my computer and I go into this PC, I do have this USB who has everything that we need in order to install Windows. This is it if you only want to see how to download it, but if you want to see the next steps in how to install Windows, check out the next video or these steps in this future video. Alright, see you there.